Here's the app called TickTick to-do list and calendar. So quite popular app recently. It's a very powerful to-do and task management app with seamless cloud synchronization across all your devices, whether you need to schedule an agenda, make memos, share a shopping list, collaborate in a team, or even develop a new habit. TickTick is always here to help you get stuff done and keep life on track. So sync tasks across all devices, multiple reminders, flexible calendar views, integrate with calendar application, set flexible recurring tasks, create checklist, share a task list for collaboration, add tasks via email, upload attachments, classify tasks with tags, use Siri to create tasks faster and easier, enable Pomo timer, set a goal. So a lot of things. So very powerful app actually. So there you have it. Basically, this is the company called Appast, which built it. Calendar, schedule, priority matrix, reminders, Pomodoro, habit tracker, widgets, lock screen, 10 plus platforms. So very powerful to-do list app. Can be nice alternative if you're looking for some apps, and then you can just create your account like that. 7-day free trial, so you can just use it like that. And then here is how it looks like. Create task, free up your mind, use list to manage tasks, what you like to do. So for example, here you have it. You can add it in the calendar. There are high priority markers, there are labels, there are inbox, welcome, templates, images, convert to note, full screen. There are settings for specific task. Then so you just set it up. Then you can move, delete, or change the date. Then you can done it or pin it. So very intuitive, nice design. So then there is premium as well. Use lists, so you can then create lists which you wanna. So there is a menu in the top left, similar kind of to Slack, where you have additional sidebar menu, where you have additional list or filter or tag, you can have it like that. You can have it like a list, like a Kanban or like a timeline. So then you can just save it like that. And then you can just add additional task in here. You can then change the view, for example, Kanban view, change the view, and then you have timeline view in here. So that's also possible. And here you have additional smart lists, next 7 days inbox, completed, won't do, trash filter, and then additional settings. So as you can see, very kind of advanced app. I haven't seen to-do list with a lot of settings like that. Then there are also widgets which you can install. There are lock screen widgets where you have lock screen widgets. There are tasks widget. There is calendar widget, Eisenhower matrix. So for example, let's try to add a widget. Oopsie. So seems sometimes it happens with new apps that you can't install a widget. I think you just need to restart your phone or something. No, it's not appearing. It's kind of a bit weird. You can also share it, collaborate, sort, view. Really cool app. And then there is a calendar in here. Nice. So pretty cool advanced app. So yeah, people actually like it. And then there is additional these tools like Eisenhower, Pomodoro, Habit Search. And this app is available on a lot of platforms, a lot of tools, and Android, iOS, Apple Watch, all of the things. Apple Watch widgets. So there you have it.